Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
Hi, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to create this kind of video using free AI tool, then this video is for you, my friend. So, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to generate this kind of video. Let's watch and see. So, any video at all you want to create, be it business video for your advert, business advert, be it story, anything at all that you want to create. AI is there to generate that video for you, free to air. Everything you'll be generating will be free. So let's dive into it. So we'll be using ChatGPT to create this story. So let's go. So what we are doing today is how to create a powerful African folk tales, emotional village story, or scary story. So for me, I just want to create scary story. So let's go into the prompts. So I'll be telling ChatGPT to give me give me a story about a taxi taxi driver that picked up a ghost. So now I don't want ChatGPT to give me a random name. So I'll be picking the name of this taxi driver. Probably I can also pick the name of the ghost, you know. Ghost, of course, ghosts are human beings. So we all know that. So definitely while they were still alive, they had a name. You get? So that's just it. But I'm not going to pick a name for the ghost. I will leave ChatGPT to pick that name for me. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the name for the taxi driver. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's give our taxi driver's name to be okay, let's go. First stop, then the taxi driver's um driver's name is Amadi. Amadi. Yes, Amadi. So now I want, like I said before, I want a scary movie. So I'm going to tell that chat GPT to create a scary movie for me. So I want a mm, scary story with catchy hook. I'll say five with 5 seconds, 5 seconds catchy hooks. Or I can just leave this part so we can just add it in the next. So let me just crop out this part. Okay. Um Sorry guys. Let me just crop out this part for now. Okay, let's crop out this part. So this is it. Give me a story about a taxi driver that picked up a ghost. The driver's name is Amadi, and I want a scary story. So we are going to send this prompt to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to create this story line for us. So let's go. Let's send it to ChatGPT and see what it gives us. So this is it. Let's hold on, wait. Okay. Now this is the title that ChatGPT gave us. The ghost in Amadi's taxi. It's something to see that is different, right? Because all these folk tale you see online, they are common names you commonly find Ada, Amara, Tunde in each of the episode. So create your own character name. Give it a name. If you have more than 5 characters in a particular story, you can actually give it a name. Check your Google search names, male names, female names. You see a lot. Just give your character a name. It's not everything that ChatGPT will pick for you. You can actually, modify it to your own taste. So what ChatGPT, just give the order and ChatGPT will just give you what you want. It's just more like garbage in and it's garbage out for you. So that's just it. So moving on. So we've this is the story that ChatGPT gave us. It was exactly 11:47 p.m. when Amadi picked up his last passenger, who happened to be ghosts, right? So let's dive into the next prompt. So our next prompt will be give image image prompt. So prompt with consistent character with consistent characters. So like okay, if you want to upload this story on YouTube, you should be using 16.9 16:9 image format. But if you want to post this story on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, you should be using 9:16 image format. So right now, because this video is mainly for YouTube, so I'm going to be using 16:9 image format. So I don't know how we're going to do, but let's see. Let's dive into it. So this is it. Image prompt with consistent character. Please make sure you add your consistent character. Your consistent character to it. Make sure you add consistent character. It's very important so that ChatGPT will maintain their appearance. So we're going to say give image prompt with consistent character. Please don't forget to add this consistent character. So like I said, I want to post this video on YouTube. So I'm going to be using um image format of 16:9. So I'll tell it to full stop image format is 16:9. So that's it. Let's send this prompt. This is the second prompt, so we are sending this now. So let's hold on and see what ChatGPT gives us. So this is it. Okay, Amadi, 35 years old Nigerian man, dark brown skin, oval face, short, neatly trimmed black hair, and da 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 and da da da. So this is the ghost, da 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 da, and the rest. So our next prompt, so this is it. This is the same one. This is it. Same two, same three. Let's see how many things that ChatGPT gave us for this story. Okay. We have up to 16 things. So what's the next prompt that we're giving to ChatGPT? So our next prompt will be give me motion motion prompts and dialogue scripts. So this is it. But because I want it, because if I'm generating video, I wouldn't want to take much credit. So what I would do is I want the video to be just 10 seconds long. So I'm going to tell it to make it 10 seconds long. So full stop. I'll say it should be it it should be 10 seconds long. So this is it. I'm sending this prompt now. So give me emotion prompt and dialogue script. It should be 10 seconds long. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. So this is the dialogue for Sim 1. This is a cinematic 3D African horror animation, Amadi driver, blah, 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 blah. So you see the dialogue is 10 seconds each so that you can get a perfect lip sync, right? When they are saying, when Amadi is saying something and the other person on that particular scene is replying, it will come out clear and very neat, right? That's why I said it should be 10 seconds. Okay. So now ChatGPT have given us our dialogue and motion prompts. So for all these things, we have, let me just say 17 because there's a final scene here you get. So our next step now is to create image for each scene. So what I will ask ChatGPT to do now is create image for scene one. Create image for scene one. So I'll send the prompt. Let's hold on and see what it's to create. Let's see. So you guys should hold on and watch. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us for scene one. Remember, we're using the YouTube image format, which is 16:9, not Instagram, 16:9. But if you want to post these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, you should use ratio 9:16. 9:16. So this is it. So this is what we got. Okay, this is the taxi driver and this is the ghost behind him. So here our image for scene one is ready. So let's go create image for scene two. So scene two. So this is it. Let's hold on and see what it gives us. So that's how you continue, keep generating your image. So you keep generating for a particular episode. Once you are done generating your whole image for episode one, then you can now go and create your videos, which will be using another AI tool. So this is it. Okay, this is it. This is for scene two. So let's create image for scene three. We'll say create image for scene three. Scene three. So let's go. So now, if you're using free version of ChatGPT, you can only generate 5 image in a day. 5 image only. But because I'm using the pro version, I can generate more than 5 image a day. Do you get? But when writing your script, story lines, and all of that, it's free to air. You don't need to pay for ChatGPT to create a story for you. But you can limit it. If you're writing a story, you can actually tell ChatGPT that you want the same. Each episode should come out has image prompt that each episode should have 5 scenes, so that you know that, yeah, today you generate the 5 images, then you go down to um either Grok AI or Flow AI, whatever one that it's easy for you to use to generate those videos and all. So that if you're coming the next day after 24 hours, you're also creating episode two, that will come out with that will come out 5 scenes, right? So that's how you do it, time to time. But mind you, if you're using Flow AI, like I'll show you right now, if you're using Flow AI, you can only generate 30 seconds video, which means you can only generate 3 images. Like you can convert images to video only on Flow AI in a day. So you have to wait for another 24 hours before you can generate another one. So free to air, there's free, there's limit to everything that is free when it comes to AI, apps, websites, da da da, and the rest of it. So this is it. Our image for scene 3 is ready. So okay. So now we are done downloading the 3 images. So let's create our video now. So I'll just download those images. Okay. So this downloaded. I'll just save them. Save the image. So the next step now, we'll be using Flow AI, Google Flow. So now you just type Flow AI or Flow Google or whatever. So it will bring you to this interface. You say create with Google Flow. So we'll be creating with Google Flow. Then you sign in. You can sign in with your Gmail, any of your email at all. So I'll be signing in with my Gmail account. So here we are. So we are starting new projects. Click on new project here. So it will take you to this interface. So like I said, you can only generate 3 videos with this 50 credits. This 50 credits is free. Flow AI gives 50 credits daily for people to use, which you can only generate 3 videos, 3 10 seconds videos. That's 30 seconds in total. So that's it. That's why I just have to just create, for people that want to generate videos for free. So you can just do this. So here now we have to bring in our image. So here, um, okay. So we have to bring in our image. So I think this this is the image for scene 1. So this is it. So while the image is loading, we'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the scene 1 prompt, the motion prompt and the dialogue. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll be going back to ChatGPT to copy scene 1 dialogue and motion prompts. So okay. Okay, so this is it. So I'll copy from here where you say cinematic, so this is the sound. This is sound, heartbeats, faint heartbeats, insect creeping, distant wind. So that's it. Because this is the sound that will make the movie interesting and make it more scarier and all. So you need to include the sound. So I copied. I don't know if I copied. Let me just copy it again. Um, I copied. Then I come here, click on the image. Then I'll paste my prompts. Mind you, I'm going to change this format because I don't want to post it on Instagram. So I'm going to change it to 16 version 9 because that's how I want the video to come out. So sorry, go back. So I'll paste my prompt here. Yeah, I paste my prompts. So now I will have to tell Flow AI, Flow Google, or Flow AI who Amadi is. Who is Amadi? So now I will delete this dialogue 10 seconds, or just delete it, take it off. So I'll come here, open bracket, who is Amadi? I'll write taxi, uh, taxi driver. So this is it. Close bracket. So now the ghost woman, I'll open bracket and say the woman on white dress or white gown, whatever, white dress or gown, just with gown, the woman on white gown. Okay, so this is it. So this is it. Cinematic 3D African horror, Amadi, da da da. Camera control, old sound. So this is the sound they will add. So let's generate our video. So this video now is 10 seconds. So let's generate our video. We'll wait for it to load and see what Flow AI gives us. So while it's loading, let's go and bring in our Scene 2 image. So let's do that. Okay. Let's import it. It's still generating, so let's just do the same too and all of that. So we are still going back to ChatGPT to copy the motion prompt and dialogue for scene 2. So copy from here down like I said. Please always copy the sound. So this is just 10 seconds. Come back here. Okay, it has generated. So we'll be working on a scene 2, which is when the lady entered the vehicle and all that. So I'll paste the prompt here. Do not forget you remove this dialogue, 10 seconds, whatever. Just remove it. It's not needed here. It's not needed. Oh my god. Amadi. Oh, let me paste the prompt again. Paste. Okay. So who is Amadi? So I'll open brackets again. The taxi driver. So who is the woman? I'll say the woman on white gown. The woman on white gown. So this is it. So we are deleting this. It's not needed. The dialogue, 10 seconds, whatever. It's not needed here. So what Amadi taxi driver, then the woman in white on white dress, sorry, not in on she's on white dress. Just drive, slam the door, da. So let's quit. So let's see what scene 1. Let's see the video that we generated for scene 1. So let's play the video.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
So I think, okay, now you see these prompts might violate our prominent da, and all. Do you get? So I think there's a problem here. Prominent people, maybe somebody's name is included. So let's go back to the prompt and see the ghost camera, the door by itself, heavy slant, Amadi the taxi driver. Okay, madam. Ghost. So I think we'll change this prompt, but let's see if we can generate. I don't know. So let's export the scene 3 image. Yes, so this is the last one. So okay. So while this is going, it's downloading, it's just doing the same thing. So let's see here. Let's see. So we attend to this later on. So um let me check. Um so let's do, okay, the ghost woman. So I want to edit this so it won't go against their um rules about generating prominent people. So I'm changing the prompt. So I'll remove this Amadi here. I think this name Amadi here. So let's do the taxi driver. Watch her through the da, 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 da. Let's see if this one will fly. I don't know. So let's copy the motion prompt and dialogue for scene 3. So I think we've done it. So scene 3. Um Copy and go back. I think this is our scene 3. Add prompt. To add, we're taking up this. So who is Amadi? Same thing. Amadi is a taxi driver. Okay, I think we'll take off this name. Let's do taxi um okay, Amadi. So okay, let's go. This is it. Drive through the, so the ghost should be the woman on white dress. Woman on white dress. Okay. So that's it. Let's generate. I still saying the same thing. So if same 2 cannot generate because it's saying failed, this prompt might violate our policy about generating prominent people. Please try a different prompt or send feedback. So since this won't fly, I think the best thing to do is go back to ChatGPT to change the prompt so it won't go against generating prominent people, you know. So that's just for the same 2, you get. So let's wait and see what this will give us. Okay, hold on. Let's see the outcome. Okay, I think this perfect. So because I changed it and that's all. So this sim, let's see what sim 2 gave us. So let's watch.
Ogbata Road.
Okay, madam.
Just drive. Ogbata Road.
It's
Okay,
like
madam.
scary. So imagine
Just
you're
drive.
carrying this kind of passenger. Okay, let's see what sim 3. Let's see the video that I generated for sim 3. Let's see.
Madam, are you okay?
Why wouldn't I be?
Madam, are you okay?
Why wouldn't I be?
So this is it, right?
Madam, are you okay?
So now, because I need to add up the video, so I need to edit the right up here. So I'll come here to change the name. So I want to change the name to something. I can just say 1, then Then for the same 2, I can do 2, just rename it. I'm really changing the name. So I'll do 2, then I can rename it to be 3. Okay, so let's download our video. Download. Okay, press on save to file.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Save to file.
Ogbata Road.
So let's do 2. Save to file. So 3. Save to file. So now we are done saving our image. So the next step now is to use CapCut to edit the video. So let's go down there. So let's dive into CapCut, or you can actually use InShot. Whatever app that is convenient and you can properly use, you can just use it. So here is our CapCut. So the next thing now to do is we have to edit these videos. But before we do that, we have to save our image to photo, right? You just if image, so don't open your file, go to your file, open it, then we save those those videos to our image. So we are like, so this is it.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
So let's save. I'll just save it to my photos. Okay, save to photo 1. So the 2, I'll save to photo, then 3, I'll save to photo, save to photo. Okay, so we are done. So we'll go back to our CapCut to edit the video. So you open your CapCut, new video. Now what we are doing, we have to import those videos to CapCut. So we just select these are scene 1, 2, 3, right? Add, just add it up. So hold on, loading. So this is it. So let's play it. Let's play. Scary. So I need a hook. I need a hook that will. This is enough hook.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
So now I need a hook, something that will attract people or that will glue people to my page. So what I'll do is I'll click here, the plus sign. So I'll go back to scene 1 where the lightning what. So I'll trim it. So I'll trim the video to where she said Ogbata Road. Here.
Ogbata Road.
Yeah. Here.
Ogbata.
So I'll add it. So that's my hook. So when people see this, of course, they want to watch what's this movie all about, what's this story all about, and all of that. So now I can add a watermark. Let me add a watermark here. And just add this watermark to it. So here you go. That's a watermark.
Ogbata Road.
So I'll drag the watermark across all videos, across the whole. So this is it. So I'll just delete this watermark here. The CapCut watermark, so I have to take it off. So this is it.
Ogbata Road.
This is it. The video is here. It's ready.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road.
So now we'll just export. You can either post on Instagram, because this one I did. This one is mainly, this video is mainly for YouTube, not Instagram. So if you're using the image format of 9:16, so you can actually post it on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So, but if you're generating a video for YouTube, the image format would be 16:9 too. So now let's watch the full video.
Ogbata Road.
Madam, this road is dangerous at this time. Where are you going?
Ogbata Road. Ogbata Road.
Okay, madam.
Just drive.
Madam, are you okay?
Why wouldn't I be?